your gear. I'm in second gear, and that's all I've got. It's lower gear, lower range in the gears.
But it gets you like up and
Yeah, it gives you a lot
bit
more
more room.
torque.
Low range first gear. It's a first gear.
Yeah, I'm in first.
Oh, you've got no things to hold on to.
I am.
You need to get some things.
I have.
Hold on to your pants, Mum.
I'm sorry, I've spilt it already.
Your pants or your drink?
I think I've wet myself.
I've not got my phone in. Mum, can you pass me my bag, please? I forgot to put my phone out.
I don't know how that spilled. How did that spill?
This is what makes me nervous is when you've got marshals and stuff telling to stop or whatever. 'Cause I don't see them, I don't like it.
I think it's because the course is going to be busy. It's to stop people, stopping someone going down that. Or
You're not set off yet?
Ooh, what was that?
Yeah.
it's just the aerial. It's CB. It's very long.
We're in the wooded area.
See in front of us.
Yeah, we're in front of you. Hold on.
Oh yeah, we see. Oh yeah, I think what is Easter egg? Rough. So yeah, go that way.
What's that?
What is
you like came into this, you're halfway around, so I just didn't want to do it anymore.
Yeah. Imagine if I brought my car and I was like, oh, I don't want to do it anymore. Take it off me, somebody else to drive it out.
Isn't it? You gotta go.
Yeah. You can't see very well on video, it's like what noise? Are they like right behind you? That other car.
That is a bit more battered than mine.
Bit more what?
Battered.
Yeah. You're going to try and keep it nice?
Yeah. I don't want to ruin it.
Yeah.
I don't want to not use it, but I also don't want to ruin it.
Yeah. Oh. Don't look now, Mum.
I am. How to get away?
You have to do quick one up. For a car like this, it's going to be. It's actually sound, isn't it? In a normal car, you might struggle. Oh gosh, can't have this window up, Mum. Sorry.
It's okay, isn't it?
Is it a bit difficult, Zach, or is it quite easy?
It's not too bad. I ain't really left first gear, and I'm just sort of. Sometimes I'm not even, like now, I'm not even on the accelerator. It's
Yeah,
just bits like
just
this.
go
Just.
Ow, hell, but I was going to put my arm out the
Don't
door.
want to take the sweet then.
I'll drop this, I'll be very upset.
But they've made it absolutely
Yeah.
Most of the people are along behind us to go around again. Yeah.
Are they?
I think it was them. It might not have been them.
I think the person behind us is going down again, but that might be the second one.
Yeah. I think. No, it was when we were in the queue. Somebody literally just drove out and went back to the
did
thing.
that?
Yeah. Oh, I didn't see the drop.
Yeah,
Put the
I was
clutch in.
just looking and I was thinking, the arrows.
Unknown.
Not really,
You want to
no.
get off now?
That way or
Yeah.
that way?
You want to get off
Not
now?
really
or do you
anything
want to
there.
carry on?
Oh, that's
Oh, I
to
guess
avoid
it's
this
just-
bit, yeah.
yeah.
I was thinking that would be worse, but it's not. Are they onions? Onions? What? Green onions. Oh yeah,
Look how
right,
dusty
mate.
my car is. Cleaned it first, eh?
Yeah, that, when we got here, Mum, there's more dusty than I was hoping.
Oh no, it's
Oh,
a mini
mini
LandRover.
Rover,
Yeah.
I want to do that.
Oh, they look good.
I could have brought mine and that's probably a bit of a horse.
Or you could have just put it on.
I think
Actually, I think it is your own.
Yeah, I think it is.
Is
your own.
it?
Oh, I didn't see that. You can do that. I don't think mine would have been strong enough to go around there, to be honest. So,
No problem doing stuff like this. I'm getting a bit seasick.
Yeah.
The stomach was already bad this morning.
yeah.
Yeah.
No, we're not at it yet, though. I don't think.
Oh. Yeah, where am I?
now?
Oh no. Oh,
No,
back
we
in the
go
wood.
back in. Actually, I didn't time it. I should have timed it.
Oh, I'm guessing that's the bomb. I'm guessing the bomb hole's right at the end.
Oh. So while I wait till you go through.
That's what they're on. Full roll cage.
Oh yeah.
That's nice.
Oh, that was new. It's next one, isn't it?
Yes.
I need to watch the track in
Yeah,
some
it's
cars.
not like smiling at people. up?
You shouldn't be able to tip these, no. I think they've got a very good angle that they can go at.
Yeah.
I mean, we've had some really steep angles in the other one.
No, don't break anything.
A lot of the corners, they're tight. You'll see it's in like a bit of a dip. Just go wide on the corner, the back end will get dragged around.
Oh shit! Oh, look behind you! Oh right, it goes on top of the thing. I think I got it. I'm not quite sure. Yeah.
Remember, don't put your thumbs in as well. Remember, don't put your thumbs in as well.
Don't put what?
Thumbs in the steering wheel.
Oh. I don't think I've ever really thought about that actually. Good.
Don't take a photo.
Oh yeah. We're in a queue here now.
Yeah.
Oh. I think we just slid down. You just took your card over here.
Oh, what? It sounded like something's gone on the car.
Maybe don't go too close to them in
Yeah.
case some out of them. See if I can get them on video. Oh, it's going. Oh, all I can see is dust.
No, to the windows.
It's blowing that way anyway, Mum. Can't see.
I have no worries about you getting over this. So, have you been round it already once or not? No. So it just get straight to it. Give it some beans because, as you saw, it's really dusty. Pause at the top, just make sure your wheels are straight as you go off the backside. Wait for me to signal because I want to make sure there's nothing stuck at the bottom for you to smash into.
Yeah, okay.
That'd be good.
Is that?
It's still pretty blocked up, so you'll go round and probably stop again. They've had to have the digger out to redo the thing because
Yeah,
it's all got a
okay.
bit leery.
Alright, thank
Alright.
you. Oh, I don't know if I want to do this bit on the second round. Mind you, it's not as bad as the other one that I did, is it? Yeah. Hey, that was easy. Didn't he say stop at the top?
You did.
You said make sure your wheels are straight at the top.
I'd be like, which way straight?
Can I put the windows back down now?
Yeah, that's hot work, isn't it? Yeah, I thought you said wait at the top till I say go because I want to make sure that there's nothing the other side for you to go down to.
No, yeah, he was going to signal me when the other side was clear.
Did he signal you before you went then?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, this is what I mean. I don't do very well with instructions. Give me more than one instruction at a time and I'll lose it.
Oh, I missed them. Just redone the bomb hole.
That's standard sort of operating procedure, low range first going down, and also be the first or second to pull yourself out.
Yeah.
If you choose to do the elephant footstep, which is basically straight on, working with speed downs, they are quite severe.
Yeah.
But if you don't fancy it for such, then you can pull out sharp left out the bomb hole.
Okay.
You should have no problem with it.
Okay.
Lovely,
Cheers, thank you.
Hold on to your hand.
Oh, I'm zoomed in. I've got nothing to hold on to me. Ah! Oh my god! Close the window!
my fucking god!
That's in here, no screaming.
Oh shit.
Oh. Take this close.
With the ramp shallower for you.
Oh.
We had one or two series got stuck, so.
All right.
Everything's gone.
They're on
Tits up in here. My hands are on your lap, Zach.
Oh dear. Have you still got a kind of... Oh, what's that? Is that...
Why did he make me stop?
Oh no. Can you reverse?
Zigzag the wheel.
Zigzag the wheel.
On the wheel. Go back to home.
What happened there with the marshal?
Sorry?
Hold on. To him. This is the stressful because everybody's watching.
You're right, you realise on this one, you see.
It's because we stopped, isn't it?
No, it's his fault. No, you stop.
I go time forward, move your rock, see what happens.
I don't want to get mud in my face looking over. Oh, fuck.
Let's take you out.
Come back, Chris, it's
Why
not.
is it fucking coming?
Oh,
Sorry?
no, like this is fully extended this way, and the other one's right quick wheel.
What you say?
We'll get some weight
Don't
on this
matter,
side.
I'll tell you after.
Time to come back.
No.
Stop, Jimmy, stop!
Quick wheel, there you go. Go, quick wheel, quick wheel.
Going your way.
Oh.
No!
We were just saying to Land Series LandRover, see, you don't need a popcorn tube disco to do that stuff, what do you do?
No, it's his fault. Wasn't yours. Yeah.
It's just said more under pressure. I'm hot and sweaty.
Just keep it straight for a second until he pops. You want to keep going, you want to follow him?
I don't mind. Whichever's easier for him.
Well, he's going. Wait, you just go around that way.
No, just keep going.
Did you say you were going to look after this? Right.
What?
Did you say you were going to look after this?
Yeah, it's alright. It's only a bit of mud.
Really? It won't cause any damage then?
I mean, it could. but you won't
Wheels
notice
going
it.
into the arches, but.
I'm in the best car.
Damn it!